This is a 1964 Volvo B18 544 Sport. These are not really valuable cars, but they are very cool, and they're built like tanks. What makes this one special is the fact that we found it with the original owners. They purchased the car new in 1964 from the local dealer. It has the original license plate frame, college stickers, and such. It also had an original and very rare metal-bound service manual. Apparently, he lightly rear-ended someone in 1978. The car was put in the garage, and that is where it stayed. It has about 95,000 original miles, original paint, and an original Oregon title, and it's 100% complete. A really cool find with the folks that bought it new.